Hi and welcome to this video on the benefits of solar water heating and solar power in South Africa. As you may know, South Africa is a country with plenty of sunshine, making it an ideal location for solar energy. In fact, solar power is one of the most affordable and reliable sources of electricity in the country. But did you know that solar energy can also be used to heat water? Solar water heaters use the sun's energy to heat water, which can then be used for showers, washing dishes, and more. Not only is solar water heating environmentally friendly, but it can also save you money on your energy bills. In fact, by switching to a solar water heater, you can save up to 50% on your water heating costs. But the benefits of solar energy go beyond just saving money. Solar power can also help to improve the reliability of South Africa's electricity grid, which has suffered from frequent load shedding in recent years. By using solar power, households and businesses can become more self-sufficient and reduce their reliance on the grid. This can be especially important for businesses, as power outages can result in lost productivity and revenue. In addition, the use of solar energy can help to create jobs and stimulate economic growth in South Africa. The installation and maintenance of solar panels and water heaters can provide employment opportunities for local workers. The solar industry is a growing sector in South Africa, and it has the potential to create even more jobs in the future. But it's not just about the economic benefits. Solar energy is also good for the environment. Solar power generates electricity without emitting greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change. By switching to solar, you can reduce your carbon footprint and do your part to help protect the planet. So if you're looking to save money, improve the reliability of your electricity, and do your part for the environment, consider switching to solar water heating and solar power. With the abundance of sunshine in South Africa, it's a no-brainer. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about solar energy in South Africa, please leave a comment below,